Today I'd like to talk about a major milestone on my channel where I've reached 1,000 subscribers. As a token of appreciation for all the support I've received from you guys over the past 4 years, I decided to make a periodic table that's free and printable in the description below. The periodic table shows elements and images of what each element is used for. You may recognize some of these images from my Instagram, stem_files, where I've been posting daily facts about the elements along with images. Over the past 4 years, I've been creating videos that aim to encourage and inspire young children to pursue STEM subjects, so your support of my channel really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and if you print out that poster, be sure to tag me in your photos on Instagram at stem_files. Bye!